Hello friends, how are you? So in this video I will be unboxing this light set. This is from Barrina and this is a LED light set, and you can buy this in different type of combinations: 1 light, 2 light, 4 light, 6 pack, 8 pack, how many pack you like. I have just bought this in a 6 pack light set. So whenever you open a box you will get 6 lights like this, and with a lot of cords like this. So much stuff inside. So I can see when you open the box you will find 6 lights. I have already taken 1 light from here and already installed it on the wall, and you will find simple cords like this. After opening you can just plug it in directly into the outlet and use it. It's very simple. This kind of socket you will find, so you just have to plug it in like this. That's it. You can read the information about this light. It's a 20-watt 4-foot light. There's a switch here, so with this switch I can turn it on and off. Plus you will find connectors like this. With these connector you can connect one light to another like this. Light number 1 plus light number 2, and you can connect it in series and turn it on. You get 6 light plus 6 cables. If you want to plug it or mount it individually, you can do it. Plus you get this packet. Here you get the bolts, the mounting mechanism if you want to mount it on the drywall. If you're going to mount it outside somewhere, so you can just plug it, have small caps to just plug the other side of the light, so the contacts are not exposed to the weather. So let's plug our light and see how does it work. So here I'm going to plug only one light. Now let me turn it off and plug another light. Now after plugging in 2 lights, wow, now 2 lights I have joined only with 1 cable. Now let's try more lights. Now I'll take another cord, this one, and just plug it in series. So I have 5 lights now, and it will be very bright when I turn it on. Wow, look, so much brightness. Now in similar way, if I connect another light, I can turn on all the lights in series, as many lights as I want. If I want to use it individually, that's also possible with these. Okay, with these I can individually use all the lights. If I just want to use one plug like here and want to power as many lights as I want, so I can turn it on. Let's see if in the manual if there is the so whenever we connect more than like a lot of lights in series, so we cannot keep on connected as many lights as possible, because the load on the single cables gets a lot high and you can burn your cable, so that could be dangerous. So similarly they have like suggested, if we are using like this light is 4 foot, okay, 4-foot light, and if you cannot connect more than 8 lights, so the max is 8 lights. So max we can go 8. If I have 3 foot, the max I can go is 10 lights, and if I 2 feet light, the max I can go is 12 lights. So they have already calculated and noted down the safest max limit of the lights we can use if we want to use it in the series like this. I hope it's easy, and with this packet I can like mount it anywhere. Let me show. I have already mounted one mounting mechanism, and I'll show how that goes with it. So here already I have mounted some mechanism here. So this is how you can mount it anywhere with these clips, the metal clips plus the screw on the drywall, anywhere you like, whatever orientation you like. Either you want it on the ceiling or on the wall, wherever you like. So this is all. It comes with 3-year warranty. It's written here on the paper, 3 years warranty, so you can use it safely anywhere you like. So I hope you like the video and you like the unboxing of these lights. I ordered it for personal use. No brand has like sent me for the review or sent me for free. I spent my own money, so with tax it was around $82. You can see 73, around $73, and with tax I got it around 82.5. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a like, give a thumbs up. You can comment below if you have any questions about it. So keep on watching. Subscribe my channel if you like these kind of videos. So subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.